revealing how tobacco and alcohol vending machines identify minors for purchase. The number on the lower left of the product indicates that you must reach that age to purchase it. When you click on a product, an age recognition prompt will pop up. Swipe your ID card for identification. Products can be purchased after identification. Swipe your card to pay. You can also pay with banknotes, coins, or scan QR codes. Lift raise transportation to prevent items from breaking. The access port opens automatically and has the function of preventing hand pinching. For more information, please leave a message. The next video will introduce a new vending machine that automatically and efficiently manages fresh food.